they still have that feature available. I just once I tried to monetize YouTube and they disconnected my YouTube for a minute from other apps that were saved into it. Because you know how YouTube is. They want to be funny when they deny you from being monetized because they did do that once upon a time. I told them, I mean, I ain't worried about applying. Y'all just let my content ride, right? Right. But anyways, back to some videos since we do videos, then we'll go check out what we got cracking for the garden. We got not a short video. We going ham today. It's homework season.
That's Snoop Dogg, the Godfather. I hit that blunt. I'm going to see the Father. Damn, Earth was cool. Oh, this gas, 93 octane. God, take me now. Hey, Cooler, he got another one sparked already. He being unreasonable. This beyond me. If he think I'm finna hit that blunt again, heavens no, I'm high, bucko. I'm puzzled. I'm finna give it right back to him and tell him I hit it 10 times already. I'm finna call 911 and report an attempted murder. He keep passing me blunts. He think we in a relay race. What a bummer. I'm finna put this out, and if he asks why, I'm gonna tell him I'm allergic to marijuana. Weed for me stand for with each exhale, I'm about to die. He gotta knock it off. I done already took 2 blunts. He done sparked a third one. Smoke monster. I'm finna play sleep. I'm comatose. Big fella, you took that blunt to the head. Now you finna be in the nearest hospital bed. This ain't the move. I'm finna scoot. He a different
I spent the last 10 years working in marketing, working with clients all the way from LA to Toronto. I've helped them generate millions of dollars, and I'm here to help you do the exact same thing. Now, what I have for you today is something I do every single year, and it's called the Dispensary Marketing Plan. And I do this every single year. If you want to take a look at my older YouTube videos, you definitely can go take a look. But the cool thing about this is I'm able to compile years and years of information to provide you the most up-to-date dispensary marketing plan and strategy so that you can go ahead and tackle and crush 2025. Just by nature of this, because I'm going to cover so many topics, this is going to be more of an overview. I'm going to give you key points and actionable items that you can take for each of the topics that I recommend. What I would also recommend is that you subscribe, because in future videos, I'm going to go into much more detail about the different topics that I cover in this video. So without further ado, let's hop right in. So the agenda for today is we're going to 1, talk about the overview of marketing in 2025, 2, optimizing your website, 3, SEO for dispensaries, 4, developing your email marketing strategy, 5, implementing loyalty programs, 6, social media strategies, 7, community engagement, and 8, your one-page
Step this up so it
plan.
don't take us all day, right?
The way I look at marketing is that you look at it like a pyramid, you look at it like a house, whatever it is. You're going to have some sort of foundation, right? And with your foundation, you're obviously going to want to start with a very good website, because if you don't have a good website, then none of this matters. Your social media drives to your website, your online listings drives to your website, everything drives to your website. So you need to make sure that you have a proper website done. Next is SEO. SEO is the driver that drives the most of the traffic back to your website and obviously to your store. 3, email and loyalty. This is how you get people to keep on coming back over and over and over again. Next is then social media. Look, space, you probably had your account shut down, right? So I typically recommend you having your website, your SEO, your email, and loyalty all set up first, and then you can put a little bit of gas on the fire with regards to social media, because we all know how much trouble that is. And the last is community. Now, I would say the differences between the rankings of community and social media are very negligible, but I put 2, 3, 4, and 5 as more of the digital marketing strategies as 1, and the pillar is going to be the community aspect. And this is incredibly important. I'm going to touch on that in the slides to follow. First, optimizing your website. So optimizing your website involves improving your website to increase the percentage of visitors who take the desired action, such as making a purchase, right? So the example is, look at the people who visit your homepage and then seeing how many people you can get to visit your shop page. It's like setting up clear road signs on the highway. It directs visitors exactly where they need to go, making their journey easy and hassle-free. Wrong signs equal wrong direction equals no sales. So what we want to do is essentially improve the chances that for whoever visits your website, they end up making a purchase. So think about in-store visits. So you want to maximize the number of people who visit your actual store, your retail shop, and they
Speaking of which, I appreciate Coach Sherry because, like she said, she went over checked out that boy buy me a coffee. You dig? She went and checked him out over there. Got your boy laced up with his buy me a coffee because, like I said, it's your monetization benefits right there for you. You know, it takes qualifications to be paid by YouTube, but buy me a coffee. It only takes you being qualified to put in work. Shout out to putting in that work because we